a flash drive. All you have to do is use this OTG device, connect it to your smartphone device to enable you transfer files very easily and more quickly. Now, this is an OTG device. This is a flash drive mount. If you turn it upside down, you will have the OTG side. This side will enable you to plug in your flash drive to your smartphone. Now, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your files from your phone to your device very easily. Now, let's go to the... Hello guys, good day. You're welcome to this channel. This is Definitive Divine channel, and my name is Yakimu Jachmike. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make use of your USB and OTG device on your smartphone device. Now, so many has been seeing this feature on their smartphone and they are wondering what is OTG.
This is Definitive Divine
is
channel.
A kind of USB device, that is flash drive device, with a USB or flash drive mount, and also with another mount that can be compatible for use with a telephone or smartphone device. That is what makes it an OTG device and a USB device. Alright, this is a practical example. So this is what we call OTG device. As you can see, it has both two mounts. This larger mount side can be used with your laptop or your personal computers, while this other side can be used with your smartphone device. So how you make use of this is you just position it in a straight way like this, and you plug it at the bottom port of your smartphone device. The port that you particularly use to charge your phone. Yes, that is the place you plug this OTG device. Alright, so this type of flash drive or OTG device that I'm using now is a Samsung model, and this is 8 gig. That is wow, ultra high performance. And this is a Royal model. That is Royal model, as you can see it here, Royal 2020 model. Yes, so this is exactly what I mean by OTG and USB device. And for you to have a very good USB and OTG device, it must have these qualities. It must be a very ultra fast performance one. It must be durable, it must be portable, it must be professional, it must be very good in file sharing. At least the speed must be very recommendable. As you can see, this one is ultra fast performance, and this is a Samsung model. It is very compatible with every other type of USB of every other type of smartphone device, and despite that, it is very improved for data transfer. That is, it has improved data transfer capacity, so that in such a way that it can transfer as many photos and videos within a number of minutes, seconds, as the case may be. It's very fast. So this is a very nice one. Now let's go to the actual tutorial of today. All you have to do is get a USB device of any other model. It may be any other model apart from Samsung, as you can see them in the market, but make sure you get the original one. Like this one is very original. So in this video now, I'll be teaching you how to transfer files from this OTG device straight into your smartphone device. That is how to access files on your USB device or your flash drive device or OTG device. Remember, it is called OTG device because of this particular advancement. Okay, and that makes it very nice, very effective. That's very nice. Instead of looking for a computer or somebody that has laptop that can help you access your files on your USB, since you have an OTG device, that's a very nice advantage. So and that thing I'll be showing you is how to transfer your files from your phone straight into your OTG or flash drive device. Now watch out. I have plugged in my OTG device straight at the port that is located at the bottom side of my smartphone device. So to start transferring files from my OTG device directly into my smartphone device, and to start transferring files from my phone, that is from my smartphone device to the OTG device, this is the first thing I do. I will first of all, what you will do is you will first of all go to your settings. Yes, go to your settings. Given that this is your phone application side, then all you need to do is go to your settings. Let me type settings here at the search area. You can see it has appeared. So what you do is you just come here, you click on the settings, settings of your phone. That is, you go to the settings area, then the interface like this will open. When the interface like this opens, now if you watch in your phone, if you go to your phone, if you go to the settings area, the settings system side of your phone, you will notice that at the dual network side, at the dual SIM card and mobile network side, or other network connection area, if you go there, you usually see something like this. My own in this phone now, the OTG device is located at this particular side they call other networks and connections. All right, now when I click there, now you see that I will see this feature here that is OTG. Now many don't know the meaning of this OTG feature that is usually in our different higher smartphones, or either medium, low, and above. Many different smartphones that are coming nowadays carries this OTG feature. That's a very wonderful feature, because you can even use it to access a file that is stored in a flash drive, and you can do transfer to and fro. Okay, so all I do, what you do now is you just click on this button here, you on that button, you tap on that button so as to turn on this OTG feature. Now the OTG feature is on. When it is now on, you go back to the home side of your phone. You click on the home side of your phone. Now you locate you go to the application area again, get the file, that is the file manager that actually came with your phone, the one that is inbuilt, not the one you downloaded from Play Store or from any other source. Access the file manager that came with your phone when you bought it. That is the one that is inbuilt, the one that works directly with your phone system. That is the one you use, because if you use any other third party file manager OTG device, it will be difficult to access it. All right, so now let me type my file manager here. Now you can see I have two file manager apps in this phone. I have this one here and I have this one here. Now the one I am going to use, this is the one that came with my phone, the one that is inbuilt is this Google Files here. So try to identify the one that came with your phone. All right, so when I click on it, now an interface will open. Okay, so when this interface opens, this is what I will do now. I will scroll up. When you scroll up here, you will see that the file manager has identified that the OTG device, which is the flash disk or the flash drive, has been plugged to this device. That is, it has been inserted into this device. All right, because of I turned it on the settings area of my phone, so you can see that this is working. So what I do now is I click on it. So when I click on it, it will open. These are the files that are stored into this OTG or flash drive device. Okay, even now that I want to transfer a file or a document, whatever, in fact, okay, let me say I want to transfer a document or a picture. Okay, let me say a document from this OTG device now to my phone. What I do now is, this is my document area as you can see here. Now I will click on documents and it will open. So this is a PDF. I have PDF files here. I have other type of files here. So let me say I want to transfer this particular application now from this phone, from this OTG device to my phone. Let me choose this one for example. You don't click on it. What you do is let me say I want to transfer this now to my phone, and also let me say I want to transfer this one also from this OTG device to my smartphone device. Just any file as you decide. So what I do is I long click or long press on this app so that it becomes selected. I also tap on this one so that it becomes selected. I can even choose to select all of them if I want. Okay, let me select all of them now, because for the purpose of this tutorial, let me select all of them. Okay, so what I do now is I now go to this side. This is the option side, this option side. Now I click there. I will click on move to. Okay, I can either choose copy to or move to. The difference of move to copy to is that moving these files to my smartphone device will move these files to my smartphone device, and these files will no longer be here on the OTG device anymore. But when I choose copy to my smartphone device, it will copy exactly these files that I have selected, these 9 files that I have selected from this OTG device to my smartphone device, and a copy of these same files also will be left in this OTG device. So that is the difference. It depends on what you want to do. After all, you know the meaning of copying and moving. Okay, moving is to transfer and copy is to make a duplicate of those files. So let me say I want to move to instead of copy to. So let me click on move to. Now your smartphone device will be asking you, what do you want to do? Are you going to move these 9 files to your internal storage, that is to your smartphone device, or are you moving these 9 files to your flash drive, that is to the same OTG device that you are moving these files from? So since what I want to do is to move these files to my smartphone device, I choose the internal storage option. Okay, so I click on the internal storage, and all the files in the internal storage area now, as you can see, all the files in the internal storage area now will open. So you choose the place, the location where you want these files to be. Since these files are from documents, I can choose to move them inside the document area. I can also choose to move them just like this. The only thing is that they will no longer be found in any folder. They will just be exposed just like that. So let me say I am moving these files to the document location. I click on documents, and these are the files in the documents area. I also have some of them in the document area. So instead of creating a confusion, I can say okay, add a new folder. I click on add a new folder so as to specify where I want these files to move to. Okay, I can just type it in short letter like saying docs for documents. I will now click on move to folder. That is this option that is marked good, move to folder. So when I click on move to folder now, you see what will happen. Those 9 files I selected will start moving at a very fast speed. As you can see, as I told you earlier, the USB or the OTG flash drive I'm using has a very ultra fast performance. So your USB flash drive must have these qualities. So you can see now 7 folders and 2 files has been moved. And did you notice anything? It has the system has taken me back to the flash disk or the OTG device location. You can see that those files, those 9 files that were here, those 9 files that were here at that time I started doing this operation, none of them are here again. So here is very empty, meaning that all of these things, all of these files has been accurately moved. So this is what I was telling you. The difference between move to and copy to is when you move files, it will no longer be at that same, at the initial position it was before. It will not be at the new location you are moving them to. But when you are copying, it will be both at the place you are copying them to and at the initial place they were before when you copy them. That is making a duplicate of something. All right. So going back to the OTG, let's go to the internal storage to confirm that this files has been moved actually. So when I click on the internal storage, I click on documents. Now I click on docs because remember we created a folder named docs. So I click on that doc. So these are those files I moved that time. If you count them, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So exactly 9 files were accurately moved. Okay. Now remember, you can move anything you want. You can move documents, you can copy documents, you can move images, files, musics, videos, anything you want. I'm just using documents for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay. After all, moving videos now, videos have high MB and high capacity in terms of memory, so it may take a long time. I don't want this video to be a very long video. Okay, so this is what I want to use for example, so as to show you the easiest way you can make use of your OTG and the USB device together with your smartphone device very effectively. So now that these files are located at the internal storage of my phone, what if I want to move these files back to my OTG device? Now what I do is I go to the internal storage. Internal storage here represents your phone. Remember, as you can see, this is your phone symbol. Your phone symbol is this icon you are seeing here. So you click on it. You can select anything that you want to move from your phone. Anything that you want to move, even if it is video or anything. Like example, now this is video. Okay, if I want to move video, but let me select documents. Okay, so when I click on the document side, I will now click on docs. I want to move those files back to the OTG device. So what I will now do is that I will select all these files, all these 9 files here. When I select all of them, I just long press and tap on all of them to select all of them. Now I click on this 3 dots icon. Now when I click on it, I click on move to again. Okay, because I want to move to. Remember, it depends on your choice. I have told you what move to is and what copy to is. So when I click on move to, the telephone device or my smartphone device will ask me which location I want to move these files to. I will select the flash disk because this is the place I want those files to be. So when I click on it, the files that are stored, that is the interface containing all the files and folders on my flash disk device, on my flash disk or OTG device will just open. Okay, so what I do is that I select the document area. Since these things are documents, I select the document area and I can move them here. In fact, I can move them here. So as you can see now, all those files will be appearing here within a few seconds. So I click on move. Okay, so all these files will be on their way moving to that OTG device within a few seconds. So 7 folders and 2 files has been moved. That is a total of 9 files. Correct. As you can see, those files are no longer here again. They are now located at our OTG device. Okay, so to check if those files are now inside the OTG device, you just go to your OTG device, that is here, and then you go to the documents aspect of the OTG device, that is the folder here. Now you can see those 9 files are here. So those 9 files were successfully moved. Okay, now guys, thank you very much for watching this video. As you can see, I have enlightened you on how to make use of your OTG device and USB device with your smartphone device very effectively and very intelligently, so that you can be savvy enough to make use of these tools, these devices with your smartphone device at your own convenience without bothering. Even if you don't have a laptop, so provided that you have an OTG device, you can now effectively and efficiently make use of it with your smartphone device. Access your files and folders, transfer your files and folders, import your files and folders anytime you want. Please, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is the only best way you can encourage me and to help me to work more harder and to make more good videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just hit on that subscribe button at the bottom part of this video, and that will be the best way you can appreciate me.